Next, periodic variation of ionization energy in group. As we move down a group, the valence electron occupies new shell. If creating new shell, distance between nucleus and valence electron increased. So, the nuclear force of attraction on valence electron is decreased, as well as ionization energy also decreased down a group. As we move down a group, number of inertial electron increases. If number of inertial electron increases, repulsive forces exerted by the inertial electron on the valential electron increased. If number of inertial electron increased, its shielding effect also increased. It causes decrease the attractive force of valence electron on the nucleus. Therefore, ionization energy decreases down a group. Next, summary of ionization energy. Ionization energy refers to the amount of energy needed to remove an electron from an atom. Ionization energy decreases as we move down a group, and ionization energy increases from left to right side across the periodic table. See the figure. This is variation of ionization energy down the first group elements. First group elements are lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium and cesium. From lithium to cesium, ionization energy decreased. Next topic, electron affinity. Electron affinity of an atom or molecule is defined as the amount of energy released when an electron is attached to a neutral atom or molecule in the gaseous state to form a negative ion. General equation form of electron affinity is X plus electron gives X minus plus energy. Here X is any atom or molecule. X minus is anion. Next, variation of electron affinity in a period. A long period from left to right side, nuclear charge increased and size of atom decreased. If size of atom decreased, attraction between nucleus and valence shell electron is greater. So, easily gain the electron and release energy. Hence, electron affinity value is increased. Hence, as we move from alkali metals to halogens along period, generally electron affinity increases like ionization energy with few exceptions. See the figure. This is variation of electron affinity value along second period elements. From lithium to neon, electron affinity value does not increase gradually with some exceptions. For example, beryllium, nitrogen and neon. I give the explanation for that. Beryllium atomic number 4, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2. It have fully filled 2s orbital. Nitrogen atomic number 7, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. It has half filled electronic configuration of 2p orbital. So it is more stable. More stable electronic configuration elements, if addition of extra electron will disturb their stable electronic configuration. Hence they have almost zero electron affinity. Next, noble gas general electronic configuration is Ns2 Np6. It have fully filled Ns and Np orbital. Hence, addition of further electron is unfavorable and requires energy. Halogen electronic configuration Ns2 Np5. So, it readily undergoes addition of one electron to attain stable noble gas electronic configuration Ns2 Np6. Therefore, halogen has greater electron affinity value in each period. Next, variation of electron affinity in a group. Down a group, atomic size increased because incoming electron enter in new subcell. If creating new subcell, atomic size increased, as well as inertial electron shielding effect also increased. So, inertial electron shield the attraction of additional electron with the nucleus. So, its electron affinity value decreased. In oxygen family, oxygen is the first element. Second element is sulfur. We expect oxygen electron affinity value is greater than sulfur, but oxygen electron affinity value is lower than sulfur atom because oxygen atomic number 8, electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p4, and sulfur electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p4. Size of oxygen atom is small compared to sulfur atom and hence it have high electron affinity value. Moreover, the extra electron added to oxygen in 2p orbital, but sulfur atom extra electron added in 3p orbital. 2p orbital is relatively compact when compared to the 3p orbital. So, oxygen is lower electron affinity value than corresponding respective group elements of sulfur. Same point of view in halogen family also. Compare fluorine atom, chlorine have greater electron affinity value because fluorine atomic number 9, electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p5, chlorine atomic number 17, electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p5. When addition of 1 electron to the fluorine atom enter in 2p orbital, but in chlorine atom enter in 3p orbital. 2p orbital is relatively compact when compared to the 3p orbital. So, electroaffinity value for fluorine atom is lower than chlorine atom, but chlorine to astatine element electroaffinity value gradually decreased.